Hey there, it's Gabrielle Herendeen with Remax Estate Properties coming to you live from my latest listing, 640 The Village, Unit 212. Check out that view. This condo offers an awesome location right across from the ocean, great views, has a nice open living space so you can take full advantage of the ocean and sunset views. So the living room opens to the dining area, which flows through to the kitchen. It's 619 square feet, so real efficient layout. You do have some upgrades in here with the granite slab countertops and just gleaming white cabinets and appliances, little pantry space. And then there is one bedroom that does open out to the ocean view deck as well. And there's a great walk-in closet. And then this full bathroom serves the bedroom as well as the living space. Neutral tile in there. Thanks for joining me today.